Morning everyone, welcome back to your online classes. I am your Shahina ma'am and this one is your English language book. Okay, today we will start our new chapter, chapter 7. Okay, page number 17. You can see it, I am here, chapter 7, A and the, over page number 17. Okay, in this chapter you will I will understand you that where we will put a, where we will put an, and where we will put the. Okay, a is used before words beginning with a consonant, which means all the words which is beginning with a consonant letter we will put a before this letter. Okay, like this: a cow, a tree, a window, a woman, a bottle, a monkey, a sheep, a rose, a box, a lamp, a truck, a river, a year, a mango. These are what? These are all these words are starting with a consonant word, which means they are consonant, which means they are non-vowel word. Okay, wherever we will see non-vowel word we will put a. Okay, article a. Okay, an is used before words beginning with a vowel or silent h. Okay, an is used before word beginning word beginning with a vowel, which means before vowel beginning words we will put an. Okay, and h, because some words which are starting from h is consonant, but some words which are starting from h are in these words sometimes h will be silent, like our. Okay, so we will put an here because sound is coming of o. If vowel sound will come from any words, then we will put here there an. Okay, like this you have to do. A and the, these are what? These are called articles also. Okay, these are called articles. Okay, and our exercise is using a or an before the name of each picture. Complete the following blanks. You can take help from the box. Here some words given, here some pictures given. You have to find out that which words is suitable from which picture. Okay, and you have to write down it here. Here is a picture of egg, here written egg, and e is starting with a vowel, so we will put an here. Here is a picture of queen, so we will q is non-vowel letter, so we will put a here. Here is a picture of zebra, we have written zebra here, and z is non-vowel letter, we will put a here. An ostrich, here I have written an because o is vowel. Okay, here pigeon, pigeon p is non-vowel letter, I have written here a. Like this ant is a is vowel, so we will write here an. Okay, t is non-vowel letters, we will write here a. Umbrella, u is vowel. Okay, we will write here an. You must keep attention on the word, that whatever voice is coming, whatever sound is coming, and whatever pronunciation is coming, which means you have to pay attention over the words that either sounds are coming like vowel or like consonant. Okay, hope you have understand. Thank you, have a nice day.